From datatraders.com here. This update video, I'm going to go over the longer dated credit spreads that we did that expired on 7/18. I know it's a little bit late because I was on a cruise, but I just wanted to show some of the data here. So every day we do a longer dated credit spread. I look at a Theta Pro indicator that I helped develop that shows whether you want to sell a put or sell a call credit spread. And then I look for other technical analysis, support resistance levels, EMAs, and whatnot to come up with a pretty safe credit spread. So if you look at the data here from June 5th all the way to June 27th, we had almost all winners. This one's actually negative 135. So negative 135. That was one that was a slight loss. Minus 20. The others, though, are expired worthless. So if you can see the percent returns here, that's just the premium collected divided by essentially 500 because we do a 5-lift spread. And then you subtract the credit received. So for instance, on this PDD one, we took in $34 in premium. The total amount of funds you need is 500 minus 34. So that's 466. And took in $34 off it. If you do 34 divided by 466, you get 7.3% return. We only had one stop out. That was near a 3x loss with Alibaba. But if you look at the percent returns of all of these, we typically try to get at least 6-7% per trade. And overall was a very profitable month on the credit spreads. If you are interested in credit spreads that I do daily, I do these with the 0 DTE. You can join on the quarterly plan at datatraders.com. You'll also get access to all my strategy guides. You can ask me or the group of over 400 members any questions whenever you have them, and join a like-minded community of option sellers. So again, Lance from datatraders.com here. Leave a comment down below. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Appreciate the support, and I'll see you guys on the next one.